Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on your Marcus by Goldman Sachs account adds an extra layer of security to protect your financial information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website and log in using your username and password. Ensure you are on a secure network before proceeding. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Security Settings section. This is typically found in your account profile or settings menu. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRIC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your selected method. You may need to enter a code sent to your phone or email to finalize the activation. Once confirmed, 2FA will be enabled on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Marcus by Goldman Sachs account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information updated to ensure you receive authentication codes without any issues.